In this tutorial, it's on memory mapped files in Python. Memory mapping allows the file's contents to be accessed directly in memory, just like working with binary. Instead of manually reading and writing data, Python's map modules lets you treat files as if they were memory buffers. This makes files operation extremely fast and efficient, especially for larger files, databases, and binary data manipulation. Advantages of memory mapping. Let's look at the advantages of using memory mapping. You can access large files without loading them completely into memory. Input output operations are faster since the data is accessed directly through the operating system's memory buffer. It supports random access, meaning you can jump to any part of the file instantly. You can also modify files in place without rewriting them. And finally, multiple processes can share access to the same file buffer efficiently. This is what makes memory map files so powerful. In Python, the map module is used for working with memory map files. It allows you to map a file directly into memory and access it like a mutable byte sequence. The main functions are to create a memory map object, second to unmap and close the object, and third to write any in-memory changes back to disk. Creating a memory map file. Here we have a sample code, and this code helps maps the file example.txt into memory and prints the first 10 bytes. The 0 means map the entire file. Now instead of reading and writing manually, you can directly access file contents as if they were stored in a binary. Memory map files can be read and written using familiar byte operations. Here we read a line, write data, and then flush the changes, all without reopening or reloading the file. This is incredibly efficient for working with log files or large binary data. One of the biggest benefits of memory mapping is in-place editing. You can modify sections of a file directly in memory. This updates only a smart part of the file without reloading or rewriting entire thing. It's perfect for large binary files and structured data updates. It's always best practice to use a context manager when working with map. That way the memory is released automatically when done. This approach helps keeps your code clean, safe, and ensures there are no memory leaks or file logs left open. And to use memory mapping. When memory mapping with large files that don't fit into RAM, when random access or spatial updates are needed, when multiple processes need fast shared access to file data. Let's summarize. Memory mapping lets you access files directly from memory fast and efficient. The map module provides easy functions to create, read, write, and modify memory map files. It's ideal for performance-heavy applications like databases, logs, and binary file processing. Just remember to close or use context managers to avoid memory leaks. Thanks for watching this video.